Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Well, check it out, J and K. I set you guys up a microphone today. It is up over there, over the bed, and it's wireless, and it's connected down to my auxiliary amplifier through my extra USB sound card monitor headphone output that I actually use as a low consumption device when I don't want to run my new gigantic stereo, which is pretty much has to be hooked up to the TV if I want to get a good HDMI digital signal. And there's my new speakers, 1, 2, and 3. And I started grinding my own coffee. Okay, J and K, head back there so we can show off the... Isn't that amazing?
Answer the phone, Joshua!